So anyways, recording will be available. Right. So let's get started. Fine. So this is a cloud security workshop. Okay. So what is security? So why the project teams are using security? Security admins, security engineers, they are recruiting currently. So why this security is very important in the projects? How can we secure our infrastructure, our applications, databases, right? How can we manage our infrastructure? So how can we control threats, malwares, viruses, right? So these are all we'll discuss, right? Fine. So before going to discuss about cloud security, so let me introduce myself first. Okay. So my name is Ram. I am working at Naresh IT as a DevOps with a cloud trainer. So here I'm teaching DevOps with multi-cloud plus AI, right? So we are going to start new batch from Monday onwards. Okay, from 1st September, I'll show you the details. I'll give you the details. Okay, end of the session. Fine. So this is my brief introduction. I'm having a real-time experience. So 20 plus years. I'm handling multiple projects governed by the DevOps technologies. Fine. Yeah, let's get started. Fine. So everyone able to see my see here the agenda which I prepared here. So everyone able to see the agenda here. Today's agenda. So which is look at this everyone. So what is cloud computing? So before going to discuss about security, first we need to understand cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Essential characteristics of cloud computing. So cloud service models, cloud deployment models, advantage of cloud computing. Yeah, what is security? Cloud security. So why industry need the cloud security? So types of cloud security, benefits of cloud security. So top AWS cloud security services. What are the services available? So let us go with a few services, important services. And Azure cloud security services, I'll show you. And Google cloud security services also, I explain. Okay. And also upcoming course information also I provide you. Okay. So let's get started. Yeah, what is cloud computing? Anyone? If anyone asks you this question, what would be your answer? So what we can say, what is cloud computing? Anyone? So if you know the answer, you can just chart here in the chat box. You can chart. What is cloud computing? Anyone? So new batch, it is included security. Security also available in the DevOps batch. I'll give you the course content and I'll show you the details also. What are all the services will be covered? I explain. Someone asking the question here, Joshua, right? So security services will be uh, covered in the upcoming batch. We added all the security services. If you learn that codes, you can handle security and also you can handle AI services also, right? Yeah. So cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Right? Look at this. This is the definition which I collected from Google. Look at this, everyone. It is a on-demand availability of computer system resources, storage, and computing power without direct active management by the user. Right? So what is on demand? What is on demand? Anyone having idea what is on demand? It is the on-demand availability of computer system, resources, storage, and computing power. So without direct active management by the user. What does it mean? Right? First of all, what is on demand? On demand is nothing but instantly, immediately, whenever we needed, we can create the resources. So by single click. So just click on, yeah, for example, if you want to deploy any applications, just we can click. If you want to create infrastructure, we can click. So by single click, we can create n number of resources, n number of servers, n number of EC2 instances, right? So as per the client requirement, as per the project team requirement, by single click, we can create n number of resources in cloud. Okay. So whereas physical, it is not possible, right? For example, so Kyle, yeah, so one of the client asks you to prepare the 10 servers. 10 servers they ask us to prepare, physical servers. Can we prepare within a minute, within a hour, within a day also? Not possible, right? Physical environments, if you want to prepare, it takes longer time, right? So it takes, yeah, so minimum, what will happen here? So normally when we get the requirement, so we'll place a order with the vendor, Dell vendor, HP vendor, Lenovo vendor, right? So they deliver the servers within 3 to 4 days or 1 week. They will take time. After that, the servers we need to move to data center, server room, right? So after that, we need to connect power, network, we need to insert into rack, we need to install operating system, applications, patches, plugins, right? So once we install, configure all the packages, whatever we require, after that, we can move to, we can test the server and we can move to production. That takes minimum 1 week time or at least 4 days time, right? So physical servers we cannot prepare immediately. So because physically we need to connect and we need to install, we need to configure, we need to upgrade. If you want to upgrade memory, CPU, storage, right? We need to upgrade. So physically we need to perform, right? That takes, yeah, maybe. So as per the requirement, takes some time. So whereas cloud is not like that, right? So whenever the project team required any resources by single click, we can create n number of resources. By single click, we can deploy n number of applications. By single click, we can merge the code, we can pull the code, we can push the code, right? So in cloud, so whatever the activities you want to perform, infrastructure activities or any deployment activities, right? So by single click, we can perform, right? Which is nothing.